this lesson, we'll be learning about how to create database tables in Microsoft Access 2013. On your Create tab in Access, you will find the Templates group, and in this group is the Application Parts Gallery. And in that gallery, you will find predefined templates of different objects like tables and forms and reports. You can create a new table easily by using that Application Parts Gallery and Quick Start. Application parts were first introduced in Access 2010, and they consist of predefined templates that you can add to an existing database. You can also create a table by copying the structure of an existing table and pasting it into the database. Application parts vary from a single table to a collection of database objects like tables, forms, or reports, and the Application Parts Gallery gives you two categories, blank forms and Quick Start. Blank forms will just be form parts that allow you to add predefined forms to a database, while the Quick Start category contains a collection of predefined objects arranged by parts for tracking things such as comments, contacts, and issues. So in Access, on the Create tab, you'll find the Templates group on the left side of your window. In the Templates group, you will see Application Parts. If you click on Application Parts, you'll see Blank Forms and Quick Start. To show you what you can do with some of the Quick Start parts, I'm going to click on Comments, which will add that application part to our database. We'll have to say yes that any open objects can be closed, and you can see that the comments table was then added to our database. To use it, we will have to click the message bar where it says Enable Content. To open up that table, simply double-click and you can see that there are predefined fields there for us, such as comment and comment date and so on. To show you another example, I'm going to click on Application Parts and add the Contacts table. You can see that when I add the second one, I have a choice of whether or not to create a relationship between those two objects or other objects in my database. We'll talk about relationships later on, so for now, I'm going to click that there is no relationship. Once I click there is no relationship, I can click Create, and you can see all of the predefined parts that have been added to my database based on that contacts application part. You can see that several queries, forms, and reports were all added for me. If I want to copy a table, I simply right-click on it in my navigation pane and choose Copy, and then find a blank space on the navigation pane and click Paste. I will then get a dialog box that allows me to give it a name if I wish, and choose whether to paste just the table structure, the structure and the data, or apply your data to an existing table. If I choose structure and data, then both my fields and records will be copied. So if I only want the fields because I'm going to have new data to go in this table, then I would want to choose structure only. Once I have named and chosen what to paste in this new table, click OK, and now you can see that it is created for me and listed in the navigation pane. And it has the exact same structure and fields as the original comments table. On the Create tab, I can also click Create Table and create a table in either Datasheet or Design View. Here in Datasheet View, I can click to choose a data type and then simply type in the field names. I could click View and switch to Design View, which will prompt me to save my table, but then I can be more specific with my table properties.